Good morning, everyone. Slide for discussion case number 10. 40-year female presented with joint pain. In the peripheral smear, we can see cells with peripheral nuclear material and intracytoplasmic inclusions. Peripheral smear findings: RBC normocytic normochromic, microcytic hypochromic with anisopoikilocytosis. WBC count is decreased with lymphocytosis, platelets decreased in count. Impression: dimorphic anemia with leukopenia with thrombocytopenia with LE cells. LE cell. An LE cell is a neutrophil or macrophage that has phagocytized the denatured nuclear material of another cell. LE cell phenomena. The neutrophils show intracytoplasmic inclusions, pushing the homogeneous denatured nucleus to the periphery. Here in this picture we can see peripheral nuclear material with intracytoplasmic inclusions. Demonstration of LE cells. Collection of sample. LE cell testing can be performed by using any of the following: heparinized bone marrow, heparinized venous blood, oxalated venous blood, defibrinated venous blood, or clotted venous blood. Methods. LE cells can be demonstrated by rotary bead method or fluorescent antibody method. Rotary bead method is positive in 75 to 80% of patients with lupus. Fluorescent antibody method is positive in 95 to 100% of patients with lupus. But fluorescent antibody method requires equipments that limit its use to larger laboratories. Rotary bead method. Principle: leukocytes are broken down in vitro, allowing the abnormal plasma protein to react on the altered nuclear material. Incubation at 37 degrees Celsius enhances the nuclear deterioration and phagocytosis. Blood sample is then centrifuged and slides are prepared from Buffy code. Smear examination. LE cells can be seen at the edge of a smear. We can see rosettes, which are a group of polymorphs which collect around the altered nuclear material and are suggestive of LE phenomena. Interpretation. LE cell test is considered positive when approximately 2 to 30% of the cases seen on the slide in the neutrophil count are LE cell. Presence of LE cell indicates lupus. Positive LE cells are seen in systemic lupus erythematosus. LE cells are positive in 95% of cases. Drug-induced lupus erythematosus. LE cells are positive in 80 to 95% of cases, whereas in other autoimmune diseases, LE cells show less than 20% of cases.